Hello everybody, today I'm showing you my 2001 Hampton Bay Huntington 30 ceiling fan. This fan I got off of Habitat along with the second one in a white Hampton Bay Landmark ceiling, Landmark 3 Plus. This fan came 100% complete, even with the bracket and the pull chains. Yeah. See, it reverses from this. This is what you are. This to bleached, or not, to cherry. Let's turn that on. Low. This fan, I believe, is made by Power Max, I think. I believe. Focus. This one's the slower one out of the two. I don't know if the capacitor is going bad or just, I don't know. But for some reason, every duplicate fans that I have always have a slower one. Like my 1999 Littletons, one of them is slower than the other. This one of them is slower than the other. And then, let's see. There's another one that's slower than the other. It's kind of medium. Now these came in a lot of finishes. These came in Verde, Moroccan sand. No, not Moroccan. Sandstone, white and brass, white, gilded mahogany, and there was a stone finish that was just called stone. And also there was a very rare like plexi, like freaking gunmetal and chrome, or actually it might have been, I don't know, but it was a chrome, what you call it, chrome, a chrome and plexiglass one, which I thought was very cool, which is only the first versions, I believe, had that. See, this thing runs very smoothly. Doesn't have any banging noise or anything. It's a very good fan. Alright, let's move this out. It blows a really good amount of air. For people don't like these because I guess they sag, but I think them sagging gives them like a very nice characteristic look. It looks very nice. And you can see it has a slight wobble, a very, very slight wobble. The other one, on the other hand, oh my god, the thing wobbles a lot on high. It wobbles so bad. And I don't even know why. It just, I've tried balancing kits, I've tried everything, but it just, nothing really works on it. What the fuck? Just break. Okay, cool. There we go. Reverse, which just died in the middle of the video. That's cool. that hasn't happened to this specific fan before. I don't know what the hell that was, but oh well. I love these fans. These are probably my favorite one of my favorite Hampton Bay fans. They're very, very nice and beautiful fans. They just look 2000s. They're literally a staple of 2000s. Also, for some reason, whenever you reverse these to cherry, they wobble really, really bad. I don't know why. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my 2001 Power Max Hampton Bay Huntington 3 ceiling fan, and I am out.